What if I told you the Sun is on a collision course with Earth in 2024? Could this be the end of life as we know it? The Sun, a massive ball of burning gas, is the life source for our planet, providing the energy needed for life through its constant fusion reactions. But what if this life-giving star turned into a harbinger of doom? Imagine if the Sun's core started collapsing, sending shockwaves across the solar system and putting Earth in immediate peril. Stars like our Sun are fueled by nuclear fusion, turning hydrogen into helium. This process releases enormous amounts of energy and keeps the star stable. Stars can collapse under certain conditions, typically when they exhaust their nuclear fuel. However, our Sun is still in its middle age and has about 5 billion years left before it might become a red giant, and eventually, a white dwarf. If the Sun were to suddenly collapse, the immediate effects would be catastrophic. The intense energy release and shockwaves would likely obliterate the inner planets, including Earth. In the unlikely event that Earth survived the initial destruction, it would face a world plunged into darkness, with temperatures dropping rapidly, leading to the collapse of ecosystems and making life unsustainable. Throughout history, many cultures have predicted apocalyptic events. The Mayans, for instance, were believed to have predicted the world would end in 2012, and Norse mythology speaks of Ragnarok, a series of catastrophic events leading to the end of the world. In today's digital age, doomsday theories spread rapidly across social media. From Nostradamus' ambiguous quatrains to YouTube conspiracy videos, these theories captivate and terrify millions, despite lacking scientific backing. NASA and other space agencies continuously monitor the Sun. According to current scientific understanding, there are no imminent threats posed by our Sun. It's stable and has a long future ahead. While the idea of the Sun collapsing and destroying Earth is fascinating and terrifying, it's purely fictional. Our Sun remains stable, and there's no need to worry about such an event in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more intriguing content, and let us know in the comments what other hypothetical scenarios you'd like us to explore.